Investing in mutual funds offers the potential for creating wealth, but along with this potential come many risks. Understanding the concept of risk-adjusted returns is extremely important if you want to navigate the world of mutual fund investments effectively. So what exactly are risk-adjusted returns? It measures an investment's return by considering the level of risk taken to achieve that return. It's usually represented as a ratio with higher value indicating a better balance between risk and return. This enables investors to compare different investments and assess whether they're achieving optimal gains for the risk involved. There are several factors that influence risk-adjusted mutual fund returns. Firstly, asset allocation plays a crucial role. Funds with higher allocation to equities tend to be riskier but offer higher return potential, while debt-heavy funds offer lower risk but potentially lower returns. Fund managers skillfully balance these assets to optimize risk-adjusted returns. Then volatility is another factor. Higher volatility means more significant price swings, potentially leading to short-term losses. Then lower volatility indicates a smoother ride but may come with lower return potential. Then the expertise of the fund manager is also essential. A skilled manager can navigate market movements, select promising assets, and manage risk effectively, thus influencing the fund's risk-adjusted returns. And finally, comparing the fund's performance to a benchmark helps investors gauge whether it's generating excess returns for the risk taken. Now, how to assess risk-adjusted returns in mutual funds? Beta quantifies volatility with higher values than 1, indicating higher volatility than the market. Then standard deviation measures the variability of returns, providing insights into the stability of an investment. Additionally, metrics like Sharpe ratio, Sortino ratio, Trainer ratio, and Jensen's alpha help investors quantify their risk-adjusted returns more precisely. In conclusion, when investing in mutual funds, it's crucial to consider the risk-adjusted returns alongside raw returns. This holistic approach allows investors to make informed decisions aligned with their risk tolerance and financial goals. Remember that understanding risk-adjusted returns can be the key to unlocking your investment potential. Invest wisely.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.